Hey guys, welcome back to Rimmel London's YouTube channel. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to be here and excited to show you how I did this super easy, cute, and simple skull for Halloween. If you want to see exactly how I did it, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off by using Rimmel London's Magnif'Eyes Rainbow Edition eyeshadow palette. This palette has a mix of shimmery and matte eyeshadows and it comes with a duo applicator. The formula is high quality and for only $8. Yes, please. First, I'm going to grab this pink eyeshadow on this side of the brush and I'm going to apply this on my crease. And I want this eyeshadow to go above my crease. So once I have it right on my crease, I'm going to start blending it out in circular motions as I'm moving the eyeshadow higher, closer to my eyebrows. And these eyeshadows are buildable, so I am going to apply a few layers to help out with the pigmentation and to help blend it out a little bit higher. And I'm also going to apply this eyeshadow on my lower lash line using the same brush. Now I'm going to grab this purple eyeshadow and apply it on the inner corner and the outer corner in tapping motions. I just want this shade on the corners, so I'm just going to keep it there and just blend it out a little bit above my crease. Now I'm going to grab this WONDERSWIPE 2-in-1 liner to shadow. It's an amazing product. And I'm going to apply this on the center of my eyelid with the applicator. And then I'm going to use my finger to blend it out just on the center part. And I love the fact that I can use this as an eyeshadow or an eyeliner. And it's so easy to apply and blendable. Now I'm going to grab this other shade and I'm going to use this as an eyeliner. So I'm going to apply it above my crease. I want them to be visible with my eyes open. So I'm going to make sure I apply it above the crease and then I'm going to create a little dot on my lower lash line right on the center. Next, I'm going to grab this Scandaleyes waterproof gel pencil and apply it on my waterline. It's very creamy and glides on really nice and easy. It's smudge proof, sweat proof, and the color is pretty intense. Now I'm going to apply this Scandaleyes mascara to my top and bottom eyelashes, and this mascara gives you volume and length. I'm going to apply 2 layers and it doesn't leave any clumps and it doesn't smudge, and the bristles on this brush help separate the eyelashes really nice. Now I'm going to take this Maxi powder blush. The formula is amazing. It applies and blends out really smooth and has a lot of pigmentation. For this, I'm going to be using the same little brush, so I'm just going to grab some of this. And I'm going to start right over here by my ear. Right around the cheekbone is where I want it to curve down to the lips, but then I do it a little bit light first, that way I can kind of just trace it and see how it looks if I like it, and then I'm going to deepen up the tone by applying more layers. Once I have it ready like this, I'm going to grab more and then apply it right on the line. Just going to go like this back and forth. That way it's nice and blended. I want most of the product to go right on the line right here, and then just go with the light hand, go down like this, and that you can see how it starts fading out when it goes down to the jawline. And right here I don't want to apply too much product, so I use whatever's left on the brush to pretty much just blend out the line that I applied right there. I'm just using a bigger brush to apply it right here, and then I apply it as close as I can to the hairline, and then I just start blending it out. You can see it just has a lot of pigmentation. It's pretty good. It's a lot of product for just one application. So I'm just going to keep blending it out, going up and down like this. Now going back with the small brush, I'm going to apply it right here, beginning of my eyebrow, and then just kind of like flick it up like this, and then slowly blend it out in this area right here, and then bring it down to the inner corner of the eye. I'm actually going to bring it down to the side of my nose just a little bit. I'm just doing this very lightly without having a lot of product on the brush. And I'm just going to blend it out as if I were contouring my nose with this, but just like the middle of the nose right here, the bridge. Now I'm going to grab this gel eyeliner, and with the little brush it comes with. Now this gel eyeliner, just like the gel pencil, it's really creamy, making it so easy to apply. It just glides on really smooth. For the lips, I'm going to take this Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Trust You. These are definitely matte and long lasting, and it smells so good. And the applicator makes it so easy to apply and outline the lips. And then going back to the gel eyeliner, I'm going to create the lines on my lips. And I'm going to kind of flick it towards the end, so the tip can be kind of like fading and not so sharp. And I'm just going to keep it right there, just on my lips. I'm not going to bring them out to the sides. So I just want to keep it very simple, and it's so easy to do. Now, I'm going to grab this 2-in-1 liner to shadow again. I'm going to shake it pretty good first, and then I'm just pretty much going to outline right here. And I will be applying 2 layers just so the color can really stand out. I just love how this bold metallic liner changes the whole look. It's so sparkly and pigmented, and I love it. And I'm also going to apply this over the black lines that I created on my lips, just to add a bit more sparkle to this look. Well, that was the final step for this look, and now it's complete. I really hope you guys liked this makeup. Let me know what you think of this look in the comments below, and please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up before you leave. You can find me as Beautification by Marta on all social media platforms. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, bye!